Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
How are you, everyone?
I'm fine, thank
A good
you.
condition. Okay, before we are start, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi israh li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Okay, guys, today we are learning via Zoom meeting, and I will explain blended learning about lab rotation. Definition from lab rotation is model of blended learning where students rotate on a fixed schedule between different learning modalities with at least one of them being an online learning component. Unlike station rotation, lab rotation specifically requires students to move to designated computer lab for their online learning. Selanjutnya, description. In this model, students experience a structured learning process that combines face-to-face interaction with digital learning in a lab setting. The rotation schedule is usually predetermined by the teacher or institution, ensuring that students get exposure to both traditional instruction and digital tools. So, lab rotation blended learning is a model between students switch between different activities based on schedule. And then this model combined with digital learning in a lab. Jadi, lab rotation di sini tuh seperti misalnya kita setelah belajar di kelas bertemu dengan gurunya face to face, lalu lanjut ke lab komputer misalnya. Lalu di lab komputer itu kita disuruh untuk mencari apa yang telah dipelajari tadi, bertemu dengan guru tadi di kelas, lalu kita cari di lab komputer. Misalnya kita mencari sumbernya itu dari mana, bagaimana, lebih detailnya, seperti itu. Any question so far?
Not yet, Miss.
Okay, let's move to advantages. In these advantages from lab rotation, number one, optimize technology used for interactive learning. So, enhances the use of technology for interactive learning. Number two, maximize school resources, especially in school with limited digital access. Makes the most of school resources, especially in school with limited digital access. And then number three, support personalized learning and student independence. Student independence. To each student needs personalized learning. For intense, faster student can move ahead, while those who need more time can learn at their own pace. This also encourages independence, as students learn to manage their own learning time and methods. And the last, allow teacher to provide target support. Teacher can offer more specific and focused support. For example, Using data from digital learning platform, teacher can identify which students are struggling with certain topic and provide direct assistance based on those needs. And then next, disadvantages. Disadvantages requires adequate technological infrastructure. This is needs good teach infrastructure. Number 2, fixed rotation schedule may be restrictive. Fixed schedule can be limiting. Number 3, less supervision during digital session, like less supervision online. And the last, teacher and students need training in digital tools. Requires digital learning for all. And the last point, the implementation process. Number 1, planning. You must set learning objective and create schedule and ensure technology availability. Next, number 2, preparation. Training teacher and students on using digital learning platform. Number 3, execution. Conducting classroom lesson, rotating to lab session, and engaging in discussion. Number 4, monitoring. Tracking students' progress through digital platform and providing feedback. And the last, evaluation. Assessing effectiveness and making improvements based on feedback. Do you have any question?
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet, Miss.
Okay. So if you understood, for next week, tolong dari kalian untuk menjelaskan lebih detail ya tentang lab rotation ini. Nanti saya akan tanyakan secara langsung satu persatu.
Oke, Miss.
Untuk apa namanya, melihat apakah kalian benar-benar paham atau tidak.
Baik, Miss.
Lalu misalnya ada yang mau ditanyakan, bisa langsung tanya ke saya atau melalui WhatsApp.
Oke, Miss.
Oke, Miss.
I think finish for class today. I'm sorry. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.